Hello and welcome to E Prime. I am Daedran. Dancehall superstar Mr. Vegas has joined forces with ZJ Rush and legendary producer and selector Bobby Condas for the remix of his track dubbed Ice Rain. The video was directed by Tizzy Tokyo and was filmed in Los Angeles and Kingston, Jamaica. Ice Rain showcases an authentic dancehall sound and visuals and dropped on September 24 and has been getting rave reviews. Earlier this week, Mr. Vegas performed at Cardi B's Pasa Pasa birthday celebration, paying homage to the dancehall culture. Now, the daughter of reggae and dancehall artist Buju Banton, Abihail Myrie, is still being considered missing by the police. She is being asked to physically report to the police. The appeal was made following a missing persons report filed with the Jamaica Constabulary Force JCF. On Tuesday, the 21-year-old took to social media to deny the claim, but attorney representing the family, Maurice McCurdy, also issued a statement assuring the public that Miss Myrie is not missing. However, senior communication strategist for the JCF, Dennis Brooks, said from a law enforcement perspective, Miss Myrie will be classified missing until she appears in person. Now onto the international scene, where Grammy-winning singer Adele has announced her fourth studio album titled 30. The highly anticipated project is a follow-up to her 2015 release titled 25. In an interview with British Vogue, Adele says that 30 is not a divorce album. However, it does address her split from ex-husband Simon Konecki, partly because of her son. The 15-time Grammy winner's first single from the project, titled Easy on Me, will be released on October 15. Adele is known for naming her albums after the age she wrote them, beginning with her 2009 debut 19 and her 2011 album 21. 30 is set to be released November 19. I am Daedran Gordon reporting for E Prime.